Tired of your Mac's stunning visuals stuttering to a halt on your Samsung TV? Let's get your screen mirroring running smoothly again, starting with the most common culprit, your Wi-Fi. First, on your Mac, click the Wi-Fi icon in the menu bar. Then, select Turn Wi-Fi Off. Give it a solid 30 seconds before turning it back on. This quick refresh can often re-establish a stable connection. Next, let's tackle your Samsung TV. Power cycling is your friend here. Unplug your Samsung TV from the power outlet. Wait for at least a full minute. This allows the TV to completely reset its internal systems. Now, plug it back in and let it boot up completely. With both devices refreshed, try mirroring again to see if the freezing has stopped. If you're still experiencing issues, let's dive into your network settings. On your Samsung TV, navigate to the network settings and confirm it's connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network as your Mac. For best performance, aim for the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band if both devices support it, as it offers a less congested and faster connection. Still freezing? Make sure your Mac's operating system and your Samsung TV's firmware are up to date. Outdated software can cause compatibility problems. On your Mac, go to System Settings and check for any available software updates. Similarly, on your Samsung TV, find the Software Update option within the Settings menu. Applying these updates can resolve underlying glitches and ensure a more robust connection. With these steps, you should now enjoy seamless screen mirroring between your Mac and Samsung TV.